Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can delete your Shein accounts. If you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the Shein application. It is available in both Play Store as well as the App Store. So you need to create an account first. You have to delete your account, and when you have created your account, this is the interface that is shown to you. In the bottom right corner there is me. You just have to click on the person icon, and in the top right corner there is a setting icon. You just have to click on the setting icon, and when you are inside the settings there is manage my account option. You can just click on the manage my accounts, and in the bottom left there is an option to delete your account. So you can just click on the delete account option, and you just need to provide your ID verification on your account order complete and wallet access settled. After that you can just apply for a delete, and when you have applied for a delete and they have verified you, and you can just click on the OK. And when everything is verified and their criteria is met, then you can successfully delete your Shein account. So this is how you can easily delete your Shein account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.